As you see, my friend, here I will teach you what is trading size. Trading size in the forex, there is currency trading is various size lots. The micro lot is 1,000 units of a currency. Your account is funded in US dollar. A micro lot represents $1,000 of your base currency per dollar. A mini lot is 10,000 units of your base currency. And the standard lot is 100,000 units. And here in the pictures you see 0.01 is a micro lot, 0.10 is a mini lot, and 1 is a standard lot. I think the picture is very easy here. You don't need to be focused about those things. So let's move now. Here the pip, how to calculate in the pip. Nearly all the currencies are priced out of the 4 decimal point. I think everyone here know what meant the 4 decimal point. A pip, or a percentage in a point, in the smallest increment of trade. 1 pip typical equal 1 divide 100 of 1%. In the example down, it shows 10 pips in the Euro USD. As you see it here, that's how you calculate in 1 pip. Look here, 15 at 25. Difference here is 1 pip. 10 pips, sorry. So let's move. Now here about the margin and the leverage. Here, what is the relation between the margin and the leverage? You use the margin to create the leverage. A majority of forex brokers, they offer a margin. You use margin to create leverage, like I'll show you in the previous examples 1 to 50, that leverage. Leverage is to increase trading power that is available when using a margin account. Leverage allows you to trade position larger than the amount of money in your trading account. Leverage is expressed as a ratio. Leverage is the ratio between the amount of the money you really have and the amount of the money you can trade. It's usually expressed with an X-to-1 format. For example, if you want to trade one standard lot of USD Japanese yen without margin, you will need 100,000. That's what I told you in the previous example in your account. But with a margin requirement of just 1%, you will only have to deposit $1,000 in your account. And the leverage provided for this trade will be 1 to 100. And don't forget, leverage is a knife sharp from 2 sides. It can make you to win a lot, can make you to lose a lot. That's why you hear the most important in trading is the money management. Now let's move now to the next. So now here we came to the bottom line, because I think here I give you very good information, and if you follow all those steps, you're going to have very good knowledge about forex. The bottom line, much like anything in the investment market, learning about currency trading is easy, but finding the winning trading strategy takes a lot of practice. Most forex broker will allow you to open a free virtual account that allow you to trade with a virtual money. until you find a strategy that will help you become a successful forex trader. Now let's move help you how to open a demo account or a paper account in some forex brokers. See you soon.